Alright guys, so in order to create the video you just watched, alright, so I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create that with your laptop or your smartphone. So if you are using your smartphone, okay, what you need to do is to if it's not working in your normal mobile phone, you can simply click on the three dots at the top right side of your phone and then look for where it says desktop view, and then so I'm using a system. Okay, so now we're going to use this Capcut, but this time around it's not going to be the app itself, it's going to be the website itself. Okay, so you type in capcut.com. Okay, this is what you're going to type in here, capcut.com. okay, and you press on enter or search, whichever one that works for you. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, it's still loading, so let's just give it a little time to load. Alright, so now we have it. Okay, this is the Capcut website. So here you can create many things here. Alright, but now let's focus on creating a short video for our product or business that we will do. Alright, now this is their already made template. Okay, whichever one you want, you click on it, or you can place your mouse on it to see how it looks like. Okay, now this one's now you're going to download this in and then replace it with your product. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do all those stuff. Okay, now this is a new update from Capcut. Okay, and so this was the one I used for the one you saw earlier on. So let's still use it, but you can still use any other one that you want from these places. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, first you're going to download it. Okay, so I've already downloaded it, that's why it's playing like that. Okay, but you need to download it and download the resources as well too. So you click on use this template. Okay, Capcut will not carry you to the next column or something. So now it's still loading. So here you can view more templates. This one you can get more stock photos if you want to, and more stock images. So let's just wait for a few minutes for it to load. It's really simple to use. Alright, fine, now we have it. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is this. Okay, when it opens like this, what you're gonna do next is to upload the image of your product into this place. And how you can do that is by clicking on upload here. When you click on upload, you click on upload file. Okay, so now you go over to the places where you have your pictures. Okay, now this is just a picture I downloaded for this particular tutorial. Okay, let me click extra large. Now these are the shoes I just downloaded. I don't sell shoes, so but I wanted to just use it. Okay, so you click on them, and after you're done clicking on them, you click on open. Okay, alright, so you click on all the shoe or your product that you want to add to the video, and then you click on open. So then just add it to these places here. Okay, it's uploading. That's what it's doing here, it's uploading. Okay, so and another thing, while it is still uploading, let me walk you through this thing. Now if you look at the right hand side here, you see that it have text. That is all the text that were used for this video here. Okay, so this is hanging a little bit, so let's just have a little bit patient. Alright, good, now we can go. So now they're asking you if you want to replace the clip with the uploaded items, so you just say yes, replace. Okay, just click on replace. They'll ask if you want to replace it with the one you just uploaded, so you click on yes. You're going to click on yes. Okay, so once it's done, they will just replace the image of the earpod with your own image that you want to use. Okay, so what Capcut just did is that it simplified video editing in the most simplest way. Okay, and not many people know about this. Not many people know about this, so they just wait for it to finish loading. All right, so it's done. Okay, it's done. I think some of the, yeah, it's done loading. So if you play it now, you'll see that you won't see images of AirPod anymore. All you just be seeing is shoe. Okay, this is our sneaker here, our canvas. That's what you'll be doing. So is, yeah. So but now let's pay attention to this place. Okay, now this place now. Okay, so I think it's network. Okay, but let's just pause it. All right. Now you look at these places now that the roads on, that the road test on, right? So what you're gonna do here is that all these things you're gonna replace it with your name. So you write your business name, right? Then just say your business name is Demop. So just write Demop store. Okay. So you write your product name. Let's say what should be our product name? Sports shoe. Let's, for example, let's just say sports shoe. Okay. So how much do you want to sell your product? You can just write, if you're using naira, just write in let's say 120k or 200k. Okay, now, yeah, now what basically what you're replacing is every single details that are in this video here. Because if you watch this video very closely, okay, let me see if I can zoom this screen. Is it possible? Okay, now if you, let me see, yeah, this is where you can see full screen here. Okay, let me show you something. Now what you're replacing are these words. Okay, everything that is written down here, okay, you are going to replace it with your own word. Okay, like this menu style that they wrote down here. If you don't like menu style, you can change it. Okay, so yeah, so you click back here again to bring it back to normal. All right, so save, let's say for our own, we are gonna write something like save 20 naira. Save 20 naira. Okay, so if you, and anyone that is not necessary for you, you just click on delete. Just delete it. Anyone that you don't want to add to your own video, just click on delete and delete it. So maybe their slogan is mini style, but our own is best shoes. Best shoes. Here just are best shoes. So here too, there was a copy. If you play the video, you see this place too. Okay. All right, great. Okay, I think this is hanging a little bit. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw that stuff here at the top. Yes, this particular stuff here, that was something that's written down here within this place. Okay, that is what I'm actually talking about. So let's say you can say something like okay, here we, let's just say we saw amazing shoes at the best price. They just say at the best price. Okay, at the best price. Yeah. So if you want, if you are giving discount, you can also write it, but just note that anything you don't want, like this stuff they wrote down here, and if you don't want it, you remove it. Okay, let's say you are giving this, also actually we are giving discount. Okay, they also have sharpener. This word that is written down in this place is called sharpener. This red word, red small word here. So if you're okay with their word, you just let it be. Okay, maybe your own is 1% discount. You just write one thing. Okay, then they will still require for your brand name again, Demop store, right? Demop store. Okay, So let me put capital D here. So yeah, big this and let's since they are saying big and let's our own be wow discounts. Let's use calculator for that. Wow discounts. Okay. Okay. Continued hot sale. So if you're okay with whatever they already written down, yeah, good. So now this is the background. Okay, you can also choose background here. Let's say Demop is usually blue, but let's just try this color. Okay, and then yeah, that's that. Okay, so once you are done, you play your video and see what it looks like. You can see if you can edit, if you can edit it more or okay, great. Now listen, now if you look at it, if you click on any of these things now here, okay, you see that it have something, an icon that looks like a pen, right? Good. So you can click on it, and that means if you want to edit it, so if you click on it, they'll ask, do you want to crop it, do you want to replace it? If you want to replace it, you just click on it, they'll still carry you back to your folder again so you can replace it. Do you want to hide it, do you want to crop it? Whichever one you want to do, just click on it, and yeah, let's just say cropping it now, for example. Okay, maybe there is some side you don't want people to see, right? So just crop it out like this. It's not really gonna look good, but just stay just crop it out. You can also rotate it if you want to, but if it's not necessary, just let it be, put it at 0. Okay, 0 degree. Okay, and then click on that. All right, so when you're done, you click on export here. You click on export. Click on export. So it's really simple to, I don't know if they are okay. Yeah, then after you're doing export, then you click on download. So you download it, and then yeah, export here, and it will load. Then your video will be ready to play. Okay, let's wait for it to load, then I will show you the magic we did. Okay, let's see, wait for it. All right. Okay, great. Now let's click it here. Okay, yes, it's downloading here. So fine. All right, fine. Let's play it and see. Okay. So this is simple. Okay, something you can post on your status, something you can use to post on your Instagram reels. Okay, is simple to use. Okay, and it saves you the cost and stress of editing videos yourself. The art sounds for you, the art transitions for you. It's just so amazing. Okay, so that is that for this tutorial. Okay, see you guys on the next one, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, might probably miss the next